My name is Andy Smeaton and I live in Massachusetts. I actually had solar before in my last home. For me, there was so many benefits for solar. And so there's like three reasons really. One is cost savings, number two is the environment, and number three is redundancy for the New England winters, right? Just to be covered if there's any power outages. From our last home, which we were a zero bill, with solar, which was unbelievable. And this is quite a big home, so it's 4,800 square feet, and our average bill is $850 a month. My wife and I both work from home now too, which is, I've got like 3 screens, and my wife has a couple of screens, so that's definitely increased our bills. My particular contact I made in Team Sunshine was a guy called John, and he was very attentive. His communication was great, and he took me through the whole process. In fact, even after the sale, I've asked him a bunch of different questions and he's been super responsive. The process really was like investigation, the investigation of like how much energy we can produce, what the cost would be. And so we went through sort of a number of iterations of different options until we found something that suited the family. There's a lot of solar companies that don't do flat roofs, and Team Sunshine did, so that was great. It was really sort of quick and easy. It was like 2 days installation. It was all complete. Considering it's a fairly big house, I was really lucky. I had a great sales guy, great team, very attentive on the questions. I emailed with a lot of questions. I'm very particular, right? I'm a bit difficult maybe. So I had a lot of different questions and they were super attentive.